Hello beautiful people, today let's play with the Reckless Flurry. Actually this deck got buffed this season due to the fact that obviously our Seagulls, they are at 2 points of power. Also right now Offering of the Sea is at 6 points of provision. In this deck we don't play Bear Witcher Mentors, but in fact we still have a Dagur, so Dagur can definitely benefit from this card. This basically card is very, I would say, synergetic with Offering of the Sea, but regarding our deck, we have like more important cards to play than this one. And obviously, it's good to test the new cards. Buffed cards in our decks. So I would say definitely this deck will have benefits from this card. Reckless Flurry is especially amazing once you have on board one of the Greatswords or obviously Dagur. Then automatically you're getting boosted. Crystal Skull to prevent lags and poisons. Fukushia in order to play of one of our strong cards once again, and we have plenty of options. Obviously the best choice is Uncred Greatsword, but it's still okay if you play some other cards. Oneiromancy for thinning and consistency. The same goes with Blood Eagle. Since we have more points of provision, I would say this is kind of beneficial to us to have this echo card in our deck. Then we have Heimdall. Heimdall it's especially great with Ulula. Convent of Steel, just to have the protection and to protect Dagur and Ulula. Also Herkia. Then we have Dagur, Sigrida's Riot, in order to replay one of our important golds. Sometimes, obviously, it's like the only option that you have is Uncred Greatsword, which is also not a bad idea, especially in third round. Ulula. Super amazing combo with Herkia and with other cards that we have in the deck. Idaran in order to create more Greatswords. Herkia the combo with Ulula. Offering of the Sea right now at 6 points of provision, pretty amazing. Then we have Encryte Greatsword, 2 copies, but we can create actually in this deck 10 copies of this card. Freya's Blessing, obviously to replay Greatswords. Megascopes to obviously create additionally 2 more Greatswords, and plus obviously our Idaran makes additionally 2 copies of this card, so 4. Then we have cards which are synergetic with Urla, like Ankrad Marauder, Funeral Boats which are synergetic with Seagulls, and Brockfire Warriors which are synergetic with obviously our Ulula. So as you can see, pretty strong deck, definitely competitive. This time we don't have Sienna here to replay Heimdall twice. Instead of this we are going for thinning, because thinning is kind of important in this deck, just to be sure that we are getting the cards that we want. Other than this, definitely need to give it a shot, because I think this is a pretty cool deck with pretty cool abilities. The thing which is missing obviously is like a tall punish option, but we need to basically just rely on our damages, and also this is a help of Reckless Flurry, so if there is something problematic, automatically we can even destroy 8 power unit. Obviously it would be much better if we could keep this leader's ability once Dagur and the Greatswords are on board. That would be optimal. So thank you very much for watching, thank you for your time and support. Please like, subscribe and comment, guys. See you in the next video. And the last announcement, guys, please go to the nearest shelter and adopt the dog. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.
My men know the meaning of sacrifice.
None of you are to touch her. Get clear.
Don't see a gap in their armor! Make one! The foe is nigh!
Eat your hand!
You sick-faced mother of herring!
I once lopped off 3 heads with one blow.
Modern Freyr is patient, but she brooks no insult. I like to improvise.
Uncrate!
If not by strength, then by stealth.
How am I to catch it, Master? Seize me every time!
Not all battles need end in bloodshed.
Snap and done. A clean kill.
I once lopped off 3 heads with one blow.
Dinner!
Your life is worth a great deal, my lord.
You broke my heart. You shall never find peace.
Calls for your death. It's nothing personal.
see it getting any better than this.
No! That is a fly landed in your cup, my lady. Allow me.
Swear it upon the gods, I will avenge my father.
Our time has come to claim victory!
I will lop off 3 heads with one blow.
What can I do?
Thank you. That was very kind.
Modern Freyr is patient, but she brooks no insult.
Golden dragon!
I'll pop you up and feed to my husband!
I shall teach thee a lesson and not forget.
Bolt softens him up, sword finishes him off.
The goddess protect you from all evil!
Uncrate!
windmill had hit you. Hard.
For honor.
Good dodge. You gotta have the...
Pride is all we've left.
And the forest is me.
All day.
Are you fucking kidding me? Hacknets, the crowns?
Don't worry about me.
I once lopped off 3 heads with one blow.
And now one great
Oh, don't dare cross me, or my friend here will tear you to pieces.
Save me some time. respect folk to one another.
We serve her who is virgin, mother, and crone.
The vesh feathers are from hens.
With one blow.
Humans are scum. I prefer elves, dwarves.
Go again.
Let us put our steel to the test. Chaos melon shit. Yeah, I work better than one of you.
Finally.
Never out.
One more feather and we're done.
We'll paint the white dust red!
I didn't sheathe it till the ground.